Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to block any posts, any accounts from any posts on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Okay, now as you see here, choose any post you want. So now you are on the discover page. So for example, this post, so click on these 3 points right here. Then in the bottom you will find block account. So click on it and here you will find block. So if you block the account, the account will be blocked. So that's it. That's how to block any account you want, easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.